Now this is a short story of the Ninja Man and Vybz Kartel war. How did it begin? What's the backstory? That I don't know, but how we start? This is it.
Poor Ninja had barely begun before bushwhackers in the crowd closed in. Kartel returns and Ninja is outflanked.
Only a ninja kill a ninja.
The old war vet is dusted by the new recruit, plus some. His nose blooded, his ego battered. The skirmish is decisive. The supreme camp grows.
Well, that's how it started, I guess. No. This is the aftermath.
But if my fans them say war, so help me God if me no got a GP, God gonna find an passport and visa bun up and can't come back to Jamaica. Come me ready for lie down. World know when me a deal with and why the boy them have to deal with physical war. And if me fans them say war, I gonna kill.
Listen, you see the tongue? The tongue is very powerful. He's in GP now. For what? Not for Vybz Kartel, but anyways, how it ended, I know they squashed the war. I think I have the video of that. I'm gonna post it soon, but watch this.
All I know we are talking about now Gaza this and Gaza that and way. No Gaza can't lick in my face. No try that already have to pay $3 million and have to beg it out and have to do a bag of something because Gaza not big like the whole world and a world of bomb me have, world of gun, world of everything. Yeah? So you can't go chat up on the mouth on Facebook and them something there and chat off on the mouth like an idiot. But if you listen intelligence towards music and what we're supposed to do, you don't know where it's right from where it's wrong. But you know Gaza, you know dark and illiterate because Gaza and have nobody live there. You know. A big open empty land. So let me tell you this. You don't think you can ramp with me and feel like me I go afraid down or scared down. Eh? You know try that already with me already. You know boss try that. Yeah? And when they sit them lift up in a Jamaica, you hear the commissioner of police himself have to come to me and keep a meeting in a Wyndham hotel. You hear? In the conference room. And it cost them $3 million for one little blood we run out of my nose. You hear? I don't know.
There you have it. Ninja was paid. Or there was a settlement between Ninja and Vybz Kartel for the damage caused at Sting. Right. And Ninja never lied. Again, only a ninja can kill a ninja.
And intense deliberations, the directors of Supreme Promotions are seriously considering that after 20 years of promoting and developing dancehall, Sting, the greatest one-night reggae dancehall show on earth, should be put into retirement.
Say it's a misunderstanding, but to me, it's a foolish act. You understand? I don't know where it come from, but I see where it lead to. And it's my responsibility to tell Jamaica not to take this on the battlefield.
My fans, you have to just accept the losses, you know, because we're wrong, you see it. So when you're wrong more time, you have to just becomes a man and admit say you're wrong. You see me I say? So just that we work with on one. It never even reach that far there with Ninja Man. You don't know the man, a veteran, you do about 15, 20 years in the business where we are watch from, we are little youth. And can't pay going and Sting much less, you see me? So you don't know. Right now we just make the people them know. So first apology to the big man, straight.
The elder of the two, Ninja Man, said that both Kartel and Sting would suffer more fallout from the incident than he would. He suggested an olive branch that Sting promoters could consider.
Sting stage a free show. Same place at Jam World. Ninja Man Vybz Kartel Bounty Killer. Live on stage one time.
Both artists were billed for a show in the Waterhouse community come January 1st, where they had planned to take their talking a step further by performing together on stage as the first act. However, with Vybz Kartel's legal woes, making good on today's effort may not come to pass. Ninja, who had the option to press charges against Kartel for assault, declined to do so.
Have them in the police. Me, I work at child people for what?
The two told CVM News they hope their attempts would go away to removing some of the scars from the face of dancehall, which had received a chop the night the Ninja and the Kartel tangled.
The night the Ninja and the Kartel tangled. Yo! Who wrote that speech? Who write that? Yo, correct that, man. As you can see, they did squash the cow. I mean, beef.